Let me show you how to properly use your push-up board. So in this video, we're going to check out this push-up board. Also, I'll show you how to properly assemble it and also what exercise you can actually do with it as well. But first, let's check out everything we actually get in this kit. Also, if you're looking to get this push-up board, in the description I'll include a special discount link so that you can follow and get it for absolutely insane price. So personally, I got mine from AliExpress and I paid only a bit over $5 for mine, and that also was with free shipping. So yeah, if you also want, make sure to check out those special discount links I'll leave in the description. So it actually arrives in rather plain packaging. So first we get two handles here. Okay, and you see actually fairly decent build quality indeed here. Okay, yeah, we get two of them obviously. And also what's absolutely awesome, this push-up board is completely portable, so it actually comes in two parts essentially. Okay, so and also we have basically these extra foam grips essentially, so if maybe it's slipping for you, you can also like attach them over here, but personally I haven't found a need for them. Yeah, you have that. Also, if you want to check the manual quickly, so feel free to pause. Okay, and yeah, then also obviously the second part of it as well. So if you want to put it together, it's obviously extremely simple. So you see, so you have the joining piece basically here in the middle, and it's simply like, you see, it's simply like pushes together here very easily. Okay, so and then this is what it actually looks like. And if you want to start using it, it's very simple indeed. So we would simply take basically these handlebars, and you see you have basically the indicators here for which muscle groups basically each line actually represents. So for example, if you want to do chest training, so you would actually use this like blue essentially. So we can insert either like this here, as it kind of like snaps into the place here. Okay, and then we simply snap it off. So you see, not only you can insert like this, but also like this, for example, and for this essentially. So the closer you essentially get, also it's going to be way more difficult for you as well. But also we can do a full body workout here as well with this push-up board. So for example, we can actually start from the left side and move to the right side and simply go through all the combinations and basically do all of them essentially in various sets. So for example, we can start with the chest. For example, you would actually insert basically here for the chest, do a few push-ups, then move to the next combination. So again, as you move these closer and also change the angle, basically it's going to engage slightly different parts of your body essentially. So again, we would simply go through all these essentially from the left side to the inner right side essentially on each board. Then for example, we can start doing the triceps. So again, triceps in the different modes here. And again, we would move to the shoulders. So we have two exercises for the shoulders here. Okay, and also lastly for the back as well. So as you see, like this. When it comes to the amount of push-ups you should do and how many of each, so for example, if you are confident, you can do maybe like 20 push-ups basically in one go without basically stopping, then I would simply split these. So you see we have 4 different variants here so that we can do so for the chest, for example. So what I would do is simply maybe do 7 times basically this one, for example. Then basically get up, maybe relax for maybe like 10-20 seconds or however much you need. Engage over here on the next one, maybe do 6. Again on the next, maybe do 4 there. Again a bit of rest. This one lastly, and again maybe 3. But again, so obviously this depends on how capable you are. You can start with much lower than this, only like a couple on each, or also if you are a strong band, obviously you can do however much you want essentially. And then yeah, after you are done essentially with one group essentially, I would simply maybe take a break, maybe like 5-10 minute break essentially, and repeat the same with the next groups. So for the triceps, so again, probably you won't be able to do 20, maybe you can do maybe like 15, for example. And then again, I would simply split it evenly, basically a bit going down essentially, so you're actually able to do that. Again, maybe take like 5-10 minute break, move to the shoulders, again, one more break, triceps, and that's your workout pretty much. By the way, this push-up board over here can also be very easily used with resistance bands. So in those listings, I'll also leave a link where you can basically get the version that also comes with the resistance bands. So you can actually clip the resistance bands over here essentially, and then you can simply step on your push-up board essentially. So engage those resistance bands, and also you can do various like pulling exercise like that as well. So again, this board actually is overall very versatile. And yeah, overall this push-up board actually looks very decent indeed. Not only the build quality actually appears very solid on it, but also yeah, when it comes to range of motion, it's obviously going to be way better basically than if you were simply doing push-ups a regular way on a floor essentially. And yeah, we can pretty much hit the whole basically upper body basically with push-up board. Again, yeah, if you also are looking to get one, so make sure to check out those special discount links I'll leave in the description. So there are two versions of it. So also you see you can get basically with those extra resistance bands, but if you do not need, it's actually even more cheaper. So maybe like $6 or $7 if you follow those links for this kit over here. With those resistance bands, maybe like extra $3 or $4. So definitely for the price, actually looks very solid indeed. Okay, good luck.